Hi there, my name is Obi Abuchi, CEO of Core Leaders International. When a company has purpose-driven leaders with a powerful purpose, that is an incredible combination. They create compelling products and services and build highly engaged and motivated workforces. Now, I'm delighted to introduce you to a company that has this as its DNA and is creating a product that has huge market potential. Here's Liberatrade AI and its CEO, Max Ward.
Hi, my name is Max Ward, and I'm excited to introduce Liberatrade to you today. Our mission is to transform emerging market supply chains for up to 1 billion people. The problem in these supply chains is that they just don't work for the human beings that work and live within them. They're unsustainable, and hundreds of millions of people that sell goods and move goods have no way to share very valuable information, data that is needed by the world's largest brands, so that those brands can understand what products to manufacture, prioritize, distribute, how to move them and where. And at the same time, an enormous area of new opportunity is not yet being fulfilled, and that's the promise of Web 3.0 for retail, which has not yet hit these emerging market economies. We are changing the fabric of these supply chains from the very foundation that operates them. We are the first company with a solution to tokenize micro-incentives so that data can be shared and that data sharing can be rewarded. The Libera point-of-sale app runs on Android for the easiest cost and access to large numbers of small retailers across emerging Asia. We have a no hardware or integration with a light barcode scanner, but we are able to scan any purchase transaction on its own just with the Android app. The sale of goods and movement of inventory within the store can now be tracked very efficiently, the data brought on-chain with Polygon, and we have a number of planned features for the next version of this product, including the sale of NFTs, as well as facilitation of home deliveries to customers within the small retailer's neighborhood. We use the data itself to predict demand and increase sales for every stakeholder in the supply chain and empower even the smallest retailer to build a more profitable and sustainable business. We acquire this data and take it back to Colgate, Palmolive, and some of the world's largest consumer goods brands so that they can be more competitive. And we embed our purpose, which is to help people, into everything that we do. This mission is big, it's ambitious, and it means that we've got to build the best team in the world for enterprise data, AI, blockchain, and local and regional supply chain knowledge. We've done this, put together a fantastic team that I'm privileged to be the CEO of. My whole career is about this. It's about technology and supply chain, these countries that I've learned to love, and the brands that I love selling to and working with. The Liberatrade platform is the first tokenized e-commerce system for retailers. The first system and D-app to take this data, bring it back with trust, to reward the sharing of valuable information sets, but it's not limited to our own platform, because our concept of tokenization also extends to other parties who haven't yet been able to monetize their data and are comfortable sharing it with us so that we can then get it to the brands and share an economic incentive back to them. I've been in this space for a couple of decades, and now is the most exciting time ever for 3 reasons. First of all, Web 3.0 and new maturing blockchain solutions are allowing exciting new mechanisms for data acquisition, collaboration, incentivization. At the same time, artificial intelligence is impacting every line item on the balance sheet, and retail consumption in these markets is poised to skyrocket post-COVID. Our business model involves uniquely aggregating data first, then moving into AI and even digital distribution of products, while we aggregate this data and ultimately use it to solve a $1 trillion supply chain finance gap. We've recently closed $1 million equity round and are embarking on a $15 million token sale. Please contact me if you'd like to learn more and participate. Look forward to hearing from you.